2.7 miles, 1,775 feet ascent. Today we're hiking up Ampersand Mountain. This is one of the Adirondack Sixers. I've hiked it before a couple years ago. Well, I'll tell you why I'm hiking this today here in a second. There's only been like 5 parties check in this morning. Okay. This was not the original plan to hike Ampersand today. I am a Adirondack Sixer, so I've hiked them all. I've wanted to return to Ampersand for a while, and by the way, it is a beautiful morning. Just look at this scene. The sun's out. It's kind of cool. It's in the 60s right now. So I've wanted to return to Ampersand for a while, but originally the plan was to go hike a couple high peaks. I was gonna do Street and I, which would have put me at 11 high peaks, but I got to the lodge, the Adirondack Lodge. Parking lot was full at 5:30 a.m. They said, I just can't compete with those early risers that way on a regular basis. Sometimes I can get out there at 5 a.m. It's tough. I work every day at 4 in the morning, so to get up that early on the weekend is it's rough for me. So if memory serves me correctly, this trail is relatively flat for like a mile, and then you start your ascent up to the summit, which is like a bare, rocky peak. Look at that. Really quite a lot of water on this hike. I don't remember there being so many little streams. We've gone about a mile on this trail, by the way. It's 2.7 up, so 1.7 to go. Means we're going to start getting to the elevation climb soon. Maybe right here. Well, that's not much. Well, I am shooting on a GoPro. You might not be able to tell, but we are starting to go up. Certainly not flat like it was. Oh yeah. Look at that going up. We've already been doing a little steady bit here. I tell you what, shooting these videos while you're hiking is tough. Because to make the video better, I need to get a ton of shots, and it's a real pain in the butt when you're hiking these steep mountains to sit here, put the camera down, get it. If my channel gets bigger one day, I'll properly film these with like a camera that's not a GoPro. But for now, these work for me. The reality is I'm hiking these mountains anyways, so I bring you all along. But this is the added part of shooting it is like an extra layer of difficulty, because I got to go up the mountain and back down the mountain to grab the camera every time I set the camera down. Just keeps going up, up and up and up. Whew. Hopefully the GoPro can pick it up. You can start to see some mountains out there. Getting a little view. Got a little plane flying overhead. Don't see it though. Okay. This kind of stuff makes it fun. Look at that. Whew. Getting close to the end here. I guess we'll put a foot here. Oh. You know what? I'll set you guys right here. we've reached the final scramble to the top of Ampersand Mountain.